What is it?
So I'm going to show you how to carve a turkey. So the first thing you do, get a spoon. Here's your spoon. First thing you do is take the stuffing out, and it's not that hot because it's been sitting for a half hour. So whenever you cook a turkey, you have to let it sit for half an hour, and then you can start to carve it, okay? So take the stuff, Danielle, take the stuffing out of here, put the knife down, please, before you hurt yourself. Put it here on this side of the plate, okay?
Hold it.
You hold that up.
Ew, it's making weird sounds.
Come on.
Just get the
Put it on
stuffing
this
out.
part here.
Do you want me to get it?
No, Danielle can get it.
This whole thing's full of stuffing. Just
The
scoop in
entire
there.
thing in
Yeah.
there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like all the way up to here. It's like,
Oh my god.
yeah, just scoop in there.
I feel like I'm scooping intestines out.
It's not. Just hit it with a fork and just drag it all out.
Don't waste the stuffing. Put it on the thing.
Are we like stuffing besides this?
Cut it
Yeah,
right
just have
here.
other stuff.
Not yet, Brianna. Hold on.
I think that's all the
Everything's
stuff
done in the microwave.
It's not all the stuffing.
Yeah, it is.
What is that?
What?
Hold that out.
This?
Yeah.
What is it?
What is it?
That's so weird.
What is it?
I swear, if it's like a baby chicken.
What the hell? What is it?
It's a second chicken. Oh,
Pregnant!
that's the saddest thing I've ever. Oh my god. I feel. Oh my god.
Nasty!
I can't think this right now. Oh my god.
Can I not eat turkey?
Turkeys have eggs. They don't have eggs.
We can't
This is
eat
a
it
rock-
now. We cannot eat that.
This is a rock Cornish hen that we put in there. Okay, it's a joke.
You're so
Alright?
funny. You're just getting stuff all over my
Turkeys have eggs.
Oh my
Like
god.
chickens. They don't have baby
Wait,
eggs.
no, that's just a sick joke.
It is sick. It was funny.
It's not.
Wasn't funny!
Funny. That's disgusting.
Mom's crying.
It wasn't that funny. I'm not.
Okay, so anyway.
Carving the chicken. Yeah, no, we're not.